Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Absolutely. And, as far as the project is concerned, Avrodh, it's reminding us about, Uri, the surgical strike, as we have already discussed time and again. But, still, obviously, because it's a new project, we will be expecting something different. So I want to know from your end, because people have already seen Uri. So you got to expect the same people who have seen Uri, they will be seeing this as well. So they will be expecting something different, which they probably have not seen in Uri. So what do you think people can expect differently in this one?
See, Uri, definitely Uri was based on the landmark event, like the strike. That is based on the entire journey, like before strike, the planning and plotting which our authorities had in detail. So that's the beauty of this web series. Strike kiya hai, I mean, that's very message. But then what, like, the important चीज ये है कि किसने planning की उस चीज को किसने successful बनाया. I mean, other than so that's shown in the project. So I'm sure the audience will like it because it's something new, something different, based on the real story of our Indian Army.
Yeah. Neil Motwane is saying that, and it's something that I agree as well. He's saying that you were fantastic in Baby. So it is something that I agree as well. So there's a comment coming from his end. So I just, ended up spotting that. As far as, the character is concerned, I think you're playing a journalist who is always hunting for the truth. The nose is always there, hunting for the truth. Tell me something. Journalism is a profession. It's a very interesting profession. Hardcore journalism is always about, people fighting it out. They're also, frontline warriors, if you see in today's time, the journalists who are going out there, probably reporting from the ground. So it's a heroic task in itself. So, Bachpan mein, when you were actually growing up, did you ever have any, desires to become a journalist or anything related to the media? Did you ever have anything like that?
Yes, I am in the media, but journalists, I think journalists is a very, very difficult job. I mean, hats off to all the journalists who are working on the field or no matter wherever, like all the journalists, because one wrong information out and your life could be at risk, your job could be at risk, anything can happen. It's a very difficult
Absolutely.
especially for the field reporters.
Yeah.
And it's almost like an army. I mean, to become a journalist is like a decision, like a passion you need to have for it. So I wanted to be an anchor for sure, but journalism is really difficult. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I would have loved to, but it never came to mind, honestly.
Yeah. You can still be an entertainment anchor. I'm pretty sure people are gonna love you if they see you hosting stuff. I mean, it's gonna be fantastic.
Yeah, you never know. Actually, anchoring is something which I think anybody can do it. I mean, if you have English or Hindi ठीक से बोल लेते तो I think it's audience से अगर बात कर सकते हो आप अच्छे से तो I think anybody can do anchoring. Not anybody, but anchoring.
I think it's about just, developing the connect with the audience. And I think, anybody who can do that, be it Hindi, be it English, kuch bhi language, language is never the barrier. It's always about connecting. So I think you're pretty much spot on with that. As far as your co-star is concerned, Amit Saad, this man is, I've been knowing him since the last 2.5, 3 years, and he's a bag full of talent. Would you just give him a character and, he's going to grip it like anything and he'll be that person. And obviously, I'll talk about you as well. When you are working with such fierce and competitive characters, real life characters, you give it all. How much is it, at the sets? Because, you are on this one hand, you are this personality who's giving it all. And there are others as well. So does it charge you up in any way when you see those kind of people there?
Absolutely. It does charge me up. I mean, the first time when I got to know about the entire cast, I was so charged up because they are such an amazing artist that I was like, I have to do this project. I cannot miss this out. So I didn't get the chance much to work with Amit though, because only one day shoot with him. But I worked with sir, and he's also fantastic. He's just the energy he has, so much warmth. So I was nervous in the beginning because I had to perform with him, opposite him. So I was like, oh my God, how will I do? But the way they make you comfortable, it's just so amazing. I mean, it's just, and actor ka kya hota hai ki it's always give and take. Like what I give, I mean, I think I'll give it back. It's like give and take. So just a conversation, normal conversation hoti hai. So they make it natural that it just comes out. It becomes very, very easy for you. And for us, I think he's brilliant. He was, I mean, I shot for only one day, but he was continuously into his character. He was so into it. That shows that how involved he is with his script and with his character and everything. So it was amazing.